I think cyber exposures are kind of different things to different people, and I think you can't tell people what the right way of going about protecting themselves from cyber is. The starting point is understanding your own business, and the insured knows their own business best. It's about supporting them in that process. And then hopefully if there's support in the process to make them realise what their exposure is, they'll recognise the value of insurance afterwards, and in particular the fact that they can't solve all the problems themselves and that they can get help from the industry. So the good news is that the Greek market has very similar problems. That cyber has very few issues which don't cross borders. And so if you see some of the examples of Greek breaches recently, they were technically absolutely similar to any other European or wider country. An example was a website was put up and then it wasn't monitored, and as a result the website was viewed as a great way of bringing income in, but they didn't realise what the potential security downside to the company would be. Security and IT go in opposite directions, and so something very convenient is often slightly insecure, and so we just need to balance that out. It doesn't mean we don't do anything, but we do things with both perspectives in mind. And that's a great opportunity, because we all know that there's functionality available to us from technology which makes our lives absolutely wonderful, but we just need to tailor that with a little bit of sense. Probably as consumers, we've recognised that. You know, we don't give our credit cards away to websites that we don't trust. And just as businesses, we need to take a little bit of that perspective into our day-to-day lives and own the responsibility for data as an employee as we do as a consumer.
Is there any new product or something that you're offering?
There's a Beazley product which John is distributing with us, and it's designed especially for small businesses, because one of the key things is that we want to make the process of buying cyber insurance non-threatening. Non-threatening in terms of the words that we use, but also in terms of the amount of information we collect. And so we try to make a very simple pre-priced kind of statement of fact, and if you fall into the box and you answer the easy questions yes, no technical language in the easy questions, then you get a quote really quickly. And what we found is that people are surprised that actually you can buy a policy for €200, and I think most people look at it as a big company purchase with a big company ticket price. But if the process is simple and accessible and the price is right, then we think that that might allow more people to be supported by our industry.